My name is Kevin Booker, and I am the Dean of Students at Morehouse College. I felt the Game Changer workshop was phenomenal. It opened up new doors for me.
When you say and come to life from I choose to, the moment you say I choose to, it's a completely different experience.
Your life is a choice, and you are the person that can navigate the choices you make, and you should not allow life to just happen to you. You should lead your life and make the choices you desire to make and make your life what you desire it to be.
It's the experience of empowerment. It's an experience of options, opportunities, gratitude.
Helped me to have a better understanding of myself and a greater realization that I was not emotionally available to the ones I love the way that I desired to be.
And if we would consciously embrace that distinction, that everything about life is a choice, just that decision alone gives you access to a different level of power and empowerment.
Each day provides me another opportunity to make the choices, once again, to make my life what I want it to be.